Hi, my name is Matt Kopin, US Product Manager for VIA at Kramer Electronics. You're probably aware that VIA's core functionality is based around wireless screen sharing, the ability to walk into a room with whatever device it is you like to use and get whatever content you have from that device up to the main screen. In fact, you can even connect to VIA now without downloading or installing any software on your device. But today, I'm not going to talk about VIA's screen sharing functionality. My fast fact is actually 5 fast facts. I want to talk about 5 things that VIA does in addition to wireless screen sharing. Fast fact number 1. VIA can be used as a digital signage player when it's not being used as a wireless screen sharing device. Now you could go out and buy a dedicated digital signage player and stick it behind your display, but then your display only shows digital signage. Instead, you could use a VIA and show the same digital signage content, but when it's not being used as a digital signage player, it can be used for wireless screen sharing. So you have all the same functionality that you would normally get out of a VIA. Your displays get to do double duty. Fast fact number 2. VIA can be an AV over IP, encoder, and decoder. We know that traditional matrix switchers are taking a back seat to AV over IP matrices. VIA is also on the network, and VIA devices can act as an encoder and a decoder for H.264 signals. Fast fact number 3. VIA gateways can be used as a mass notification tool. When VIA devices are connected to VIA Site Management, administrators have the ability to push mass notifications to an individual VIA, a group of VIAs, or their entire deployment. The notification will be displayed over top of presented content and can be accompanied by an audible tone or even a flashing dialog box. Fast fact number 4. VIA can help simplify your video conferencing systems. VIA Connect Plus recently introduced a feature called VIA Versa. VIA Versa allows connected VIA users to take advantage of in-room devices like USB cameras and microphones for their Zoom and Teams meetings. Users get to drive the meeting from their own laptop while leveraging those USB peripherals in the room. Fast fact number 5. VIA can help automate your spaces by activating Kramer Control Brainware. Kramer Control is our cloud-based drag-and-drop control solution. All configuration UI and programming is done in the cloud, and Kramer Control uses hardware brains on-site to communicate with all the devices being controlled. If you've got a VIA Connect Plus, simply activate Brainware and it can be your on-site hardware brain. No additional hardware needed. And that's it. 5 things you didn't know VIA could do beyond its already best-in-class wireless screen sharing. Thanks.